Welcome to this short training program on ground fault circuit interrupters, commonly known as GFCIs. These electrical devices are crucial for protecting you and others from electrical shock and fire hazards. How? By quickly disconnecting power when they detect a ground fault, which occurs when electrical current leaks to a path where it should not, such as through water or a person. Here are 10 key tips that apply to both the home and the workplace. GFCIs should be installed or used in areas where power tools or appliances are used in close proximity to water. Water or wet objects are able to conduct electricity very easily and can connect your body to a ground potential, thus increasing your chances of receiving a shock from a ground fault. GFCI locations include workshops, garages, kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor outlets, and construction sites. There are 3 main types: receptacle GFCIs, which are outlet-based; circuit breaker GFCIs, which are installed in electrical panels; and portable GFCIs, which are used on construction sites and in industrial shops. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing GFCIs, if you are trained and authorized to do so. If not, have a qualified electrician do the installation. Ensure that all GFCIs are correctly grounded to maximize their effectiveness. Always follow your company's procedures. When in doubt, ask your supervisor. Use the test and reset buttons on GFCIs to check their functionality. Pressing test should trip the GFCI, cutting off power to the outlet. Press reset to restore power. If this doesn't work, replace the GFCI immediately or have it replaced. Test GFCIs once a month. Do not bypass or tamper with GFCIs to prevent them from tripping. Doing so defeats their purpose and endangers your safety and the safety of others. It's a major violation. Avoid allowing moisture or debris to enter the receptacles or covers. Maintaining a clean and dry environment ensures the proper functioning of your GFCIs. Check outdoor outlets with GFCIs frequently. When using power tools, appliances, or equipment outdoors or in wet environments, make sure they are plugged into GFCI protected outlets, boxes, or extension cords to prevent electrical shock and/or damage to the equipment. If you notice a GFCI is damaged, cracked, or not functioning correctly, it should be replaced immediately. Report it to your supervisor. Don't wait. Do not attempt to repair a damaged GFCI. Ensure everyone in your workplace and household knows the locations of GFCIs, how to test them, and the importance of using them, and using them safely. Periodically inspect GFCI outlets to ensure they are in good condition. Replace them if they show signs of wear or damage. Inspect and test GFCIs at least once a month at a minimum. The OSHA standard for ground fault protection on construction sites requires approved GFCIs for all 120-volt single-phase, 15-amp, and 20-amp receptacle outlets that aren't part of a building or structure's permanent wiring and are in use by employees. In simpler words, don't plug a power tool directly into a generator or temporary outdoor power source without a GFCI in between. It only takes 5 milliamps, 0.005 amps of current leakage from the hot wire to the ground to cause a GFCI to trip. This is called nuisance tripping. Handheld power tools generally do not cause tripping problems if the tools are maintained and in good condition. To avoid nuisance tripping, a GFCI should not supply circuits longer than 100 feet, fluorescent or other types of electrical discharge lighting fixtures, or permanently installed electric motors. By following these safety tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents and injuries and ensure a safer working environment when working with electrical appliances, tools, and outlets. Thank you for participating in our safety program.